What up, YouTube? Tomorrow is the big day. Car is leaving, it's getting shipped out. I need you guys to drop in the comments, where do you guys think we're going? We're going somewhere. We're putting the car to use. We've literally been at the shop every day prepping this car to go. As you guys seen, the dyno, testing, literally the whole night. The car has been non-stop all week. And I also want you guys to let me know, do you think I should get like just now we just bled the brakes, oil change, basically small prep. Do you guys want to see that? I try not to bore you guys. Jordan says he thinks I should get every step, every bit, like even down to the oil change right now. Do you think I should get every step, right? I think, me personally, I think I don't want to bore you guys. Like I want to show you guys the fun stuff. I want to show you guys I like showing the finished product how it looks. But Jordan's saying, hey, look, you should get a little bit more technical into the video.
Like, don't you guys want to be like, yo, hang on. A med spray painted sign? Don't you guys want to see that?
He did. He spray painted. I'm going to show you guys a few of the changes that we did. So I'm just going to kind of just walk through the whole car with you guys. The car is leaving tomorrow morning. And then us three and Jamie, we're flying out. We're going on vacation? Yo, rattle can job?
Couldn't resist, could you?
Couldn't resist. But I like it. I approve.
You guys know me. It's all about the what?
Details.
It's all about the details.
What just went down?
They didn't really see what the difference between last time and this time.
Well, they seen the bumper in the testing video. So I got testing dyno. And
Did they see it after it was wrapped?
No, they didn't see it.
The bumper wasn't on the car when we tested.
Oh yeah, you're right. No, I got it.
Stop showing the bumper.
It's too late now. They seen it, and I put it on Instagram too. So make sure to follow us on
Some people
Instagram.
don't follow on Instagram. But anyways, let's show them the bumper so you've already been showing it.
The thing is fire.
Look at that.
Well, J-Rock showed them the bumper white. We didn't show them the bumper painted.
But I want to show them the bumper painted now.
And what did you do?
And it wasn't spray painted.
And it wasn't spray painted. Check out that paint job. But I don't care about the paint job. I don't care about the details, baby.
So he did
the black center.
He wrapped it.
And wrapped the bottom black.
And then what'd you do there? Because that wasn't there.
J-Rock painted that.
Well, you painted it.
Yo, you don't want to get yourself on camera. We got the stencil right here. Shout out, my boy made the stencil, and then he made me.
The glizzy? You gotta show him the glizzy.
You did that. So to be funny, he made a glizzy stencil, and J-Rock spray painted it on my oil pan. I guess now you guys could really call me the glizzy god.
You know what's the crazy part is? I'll give you $10 if you can find the glizzy on this car.
No way. There's no way you guys did that. I'm not even gonna find that.
It's like, what does Jeep call it? Jeep called it something. When they put like little things, like little details on the car.
That you can't see?
Yeah, like little.
There's no way there's a glizzy on the car. There's no way. Well, where do you guys think that they put the glizzy? Can't be the wheel wells because they're black. Can't I have a headliner? Maybe somewhere under the car, intercooler, maybe radiator. I don't even know. Funny, right? You think it's a joke. But we're pretty much here. We're prepping. I had to do a bunch of stuff. Shout out to Mike at MPH.
You know what Jeep calls it? Easter eggs.
Easter eggs?
Oh, yeah. We put an Easter egg in there for you.
Where is it?
I don't know.
I'll give you $20 to let me know where it is.
Nope.
So huge shout out to Mike, MPH Fabrication. He literally looked out for us. So I'm gonna show you guys something pretty dope.
They can't, you're gonna show them too many details.
I gotta show them.
You can't be copying our details.
I gotta show you guys. Like if you guys wanna do it to your car, it will help you out with these tips. So we made a 5th gear lockout for the ktuned box, which is not available. They don't make one. So literally, you put the pin through and you lock yourself at a 5th in reverse. So we made our own lockout that goes to the box. So that's pretty dope. We did that and a few small changes. And then we're gonna load the car up tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. And then we all fly out of here on Saturday. It's gonna be super dope. Where do you guys think we're going?
Can I guess?
No, you're coming with us.
I'm gonna ask about this bumper. If you guys want to order this bumper, hit up J-Rock. He can get you this bumper.
Yes.
It's a street bumper. It's a fiberglass bumper, and it mounts right up to the factory fender.
Everyone's been asking on Instagram. So literally this bumper mounts up to the factory fenders. I did it because of the intercooler setup. Pretty much it gives you like kind of a wide front bumper, but it's not.
If you guys are local and you guys want to get it put on your car, hit up J-Rock. He can mount the bumper for you as well.
I'll drop
that fitment though.
This thing looks
The crazy part, it didn't come fitted like this either. He had to heat the bumper up and mold it, kind of mold it a little bit more better to the car and clean up the lines a little bit. But check it out.
It looks good. It didn't look, remember when it was white, it looked ugly like when it was on the car when we showed it to
The
him?
question is, do you guys think this is a street car now? Is it still a street car?
Yes.
Yeah, drop in the comments.
I want to know what they think.
Yeah, I want to know. Do you guys think it's a street car? Drop in the comments, yes, it's a street car. Remember, radio, full interior, has everything in it. Yeah, it's got a hood exit. The only reason why it has a hood exit is because we couldn't get the exhaust done in time. So I was gonna put a down pipe, it's just the other one won't fit with this turbo kit. I don't have no time.
It has headlights, it has turn signals.
Headlight.
Well, we could put the other headlight in if we really wanted to. It still has a wiper motor, has heat. Well, it has the stuff behind it.
You should have seen him when we were coming from Mike's. He had the sunroof tilted, right?
Yo.
The windows down, he was listening to Bachata.
Well, if you guys need a bumper, hit up J-Rock. I'll drop his Instagram. You guys can hit him up, shoot him a message, or follow his channel. I'll put it in the description. And like I said, these bumpers are carbon fiber and fiberglass are not easy to get like straight. You gotta like, he knows how to work them. Like he's been doing them for such a long time. They just don't go right on. You literally gotta do a bunch of work to them. But if you haven't put one on, don't mess your carbon fiber up because you will crack it. They do not come perfect fit. Now, sometimes they do. Not all the time. 90% of the time, you gotta tweak them so much.
Anyways, let's put the tires on the car, kind of roll it back a little bit, give them a full view of the car, because you can't really get a good view of the car while
I think some of those comments said they want to see me drive.
I think I seen 2.
Hey, that's more than one.
I think I seen 2.
Two is more than one.
And then I think I seen like 20 that said, yeah, I seen the guy that crashed the car too.
See, I had to yell at him because he wasn't even going to get this. I got this for you guys. There's some work done.
You gotta tell them how do you put the wheel on?
Huh?
How do you put it on?
I put it upside down, and then after I torque it, I spin it the right way, and I make sure everything's level.
Because someone's probably gonna really think that's true.
Yo, what's the torque spec?
Yeah, what is the torque specs?
80 foot-pounds.
Is that real?
You don't even know?
Bro, you know what I do?
That question backfired on me. You said
No,
it?
I'm not gonna lie, when I was younger, I used to just zap them on with the gun.
So, you just finished right now?
What's the torque spec set?
Oh, yeah. Cut it.
Let me know how you guys feel about the logo on the intercooler. It's a little harder to read, but I think you guys know what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think, if it's dope.
Stand back, I feel like.
Hold on, let me get it back.
Once the car is like out.
You guys can see that pretty good or no? You guys let me know. I don't know, I might get a different stencil, but for the most part, I think you can read it pretty good. We did that, put the New England Motors banner on the top of the windshield. A few more decals going on before we leave, but this car, like I said, we're leaving tomorrow morning. The car is leaving tomorrow morning at 8, and then we are testing tonight because we put the new transfer case in. So
This car rolls better than the old motor truck.
It does really, really good. You know what I thought? We could. Why can't we just jump in with the transporter and then we could save on plane tickets?
it's too late, I already booked them last night. But that'll be a rough ride. Transporter probably,
crazy video.
transporter probably stink.
Oh, that looks good from back here.
Yeah, it does.
I like it. I like the sensor.
Just
You can see it.
little brother, older brother.
So, if he hasn't told you guys yet, we're putting K-swap in this because it's K-swap the world here, right?
No.
We still gotta part it out.
No.
Oh, that's what we decided.
No.
All right, if you guys want any parts off this car, make sure you hit up Sonic
No.
203.
I'm not parting my car out. I'm literally just doing a few upgrades to this car. I got a new front end, got a whole bunch of new stuff for this car. This car is staying B series and it's staying front wheel drive. Well, look, my car literally used to look like this back in the day. You want the camera? I'll show you guys the details, baby. You love the details, huh?
Check out that fitment though. Got a 225/50 tire.
Yo,
Because I already know you guys are gonna ask.
everyone's been asking the wheel spec.
The wheel spec, 15/8 plus 35.
Dear YouTube, my brother likes to keep secrets to himself. You guys gotta tell him, drop in the comments, like tell him.
The
don't
thing
keep
is, I
these
worked
secrets.
hard for these secrets. That's the thing. But since you guys follow the channel, I'll give you guys some gems. So.
Give them all the gems. Car was great. I don't even remember when was the last time I watched it. It's probably like a year and a half. There was so much dust on the roof.
It looks like it rides good too. Like it's not.
Yo, it's so smooth.
Yeah, it looks good.
Let's show them it's a real street car, bro.
Jamie is gonna be here in like 20 minutes. I gotta test first gear out a few times before we get it loaded up. Check what out, sunroof works? Alright, I haven't opened that thing up in a long time.
You gotta put power windows in here.
That's more weight though.
Why can't you tell it's not a street car, bro? You're lucky I can't play no music right now, because I would.
I'm a little upset right now. Jamie came through. He said, do not make a test hit. I guess the surface, is gonna be different from here to wherever we're going. So we are gonna save the car until we get to where we gotta get to. I wish I could spoil the news. Maybe I might spoil it. I don't know yet. Haven't got that far. But you look a little bummed out too that we can't make a test hit.
I mean, what time is it?
Jamie's smart though, right?
It's 7:40 right now.
What Jamie said, if something happens or whatever, we don't want to break night here. We'll get the car out there in one piece and then we'll figure it out when we get out there.
It wouldn't be racing though if it wasn't some last minute stuff.
This is pretty last minute though. We got the car fabbed up today. Like literally, it's after hours now.
How would he even know? How would he know?
We tested though.
I didn't see no testing. Like
Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. I sent you.
I was promised.
You're gonna see the YouTube video.
I want to see it in person. I want to see like a smoky 4-wheel burnout.
I'm gonna save it for this occasion. Wouldn't you say it's probably the biggest?
Anticipation is killing me on this. Probably more than you guys.
Do you guys seen the test video? Let me know what you guys think. What do you guys? It is different in person. I'll just flat out just say that it's different in person. But I'll give you guys a quick view of the trunk.
Looks like a regular street
Looks
car,
like we're going
right?
to a car show, to be honest. We are doing some type of racing.
Yeah.
Right. So we'll just get there. Some type of racing. Honestly, I'm stoked for this. Like I'm super happy. I'm excited. I'm glad I get to bring J-Rock, the whole crew, my brother.
It's big.
Yeah, it's huge. So I'm glad I get to bring everyone with me. Jamie, my brother. I wish everyone can come, but we're limited to a certain amount of people we can bring with us. So
you know what's dope though? They get to come with us.
yes.
They don't know, but they're coming with us.
So
which is dope.
I'll tell you guys pretty much, we get to shoot, but we can't air out the results, but we get to shoot. So I'm gonna see what I can shoot. I'm gonna try to shoot as much as I can. I'm pretty sure Jarek's gonna be behind the camera most of the time, and after hours we'll all be there together. But I'm super excited. The car's gonna be loaded up 8:30 in the morning.
Can we do like, all right, so we have like the normal channel stuff, you know, right? It's gonna be during the day, but can we do like a nightlife kind of separate vlog?
You're gonna have to like X-rate it somehow.
Yeah, definitely. Like we might have to start a separate channel just for the nightlife.
How about you turn your channel Nightlife,
No,
J-Rock's
I don't wanna do
Nightlife?
that. I don't want to see. I don't want people to see how I really am. I might go to jail.
So 8:30 tomorrow morning, I'll see you guys bright and early. I am gonna load the car up in the morning. I get the footage of the car rolling out. We'll see you when we get to wherever we're gonna go to. So I'll leave it at that. It's official, the car is leaving today. I'm very, very nervous. I've never let anyone transport any of my personal cars. I wish I can drive it, like my own truck and trailer there is just too much for us right now. But like I said, I've never, ever, ever had anyone transport a car for me. And like, you never know what's gonna happen, but I'm the one that's gonna be loading it and unloading it. But like, it's kinda great, cause like, I feel like a monkey's off my back because the car is leaving. I know the car's complete, it's in one piece, and the car's gonna get there. So next step for us is just to fly out of here. But you guys excited?
I'm really excited.
I'm excited.
I'm not worried about the car at all getting back in one piece. I'm more worried about us getting back in one piece. If you know, you know.
You ready to go?
Hell yeah.
The trailer is here. Gonna load the car up right now. I'm very, very, very excited.
Let me see. Go ahead, baby. Start this thing up.
Yo, I don't really never let nobody transport.
I told the transporter, like when you actually jump in, because he said he wasn't going to drive it, but I told the transporter, you know, when you take it out at night, make sure you tag us.
It's official, the car's all loaded up. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I've never, not nervous for you. Me personally, I've never had no one transport a car for me. But I know the car's in good hands.
So basically, if we had
This guy's popping his cherry.
I'll tell you, your car is like really good hand. I'm doing it for a while, so don't worry.
Yeah, I know you said you had a Lambo in here.
Yeah, Lambo and then 911s and then GTs and then McLarens all the time. So
the thing is,
don't worry, you've seen the good
The
hand.
thing is, if I had a Lambo or Ferrari or even shipping NSX, right? I would go to sleep perfectly fine. It's just,
Honda, you gotta
the Honda you gotta worry about.
You know why? Because we've had cars shipped here to us before. We had a Civic came in with a burnt clutch. You always see all these videos of guys end up taking the car on a test drive or whatever, or even just a trailer driving out that far. You're scared of like an accident that might happen. It's like
It's going far, man. We are going far.
You transport that without a problem.
Bro, I didn't even care when that car came here. Like, I didn't even know when it was coming. I didn't even call for updates or anything.
You're not gonna sleep for the next couple days. Actually, you're not gonna sleep for the next couple weeks.
Yo, I got this dude's number on speed dial. I'm gonna call him every day. Car is transported. Big monkey off our back. Car is completely finished. We are ready to race. Now we need to all pack up, get ready to leave. I will vlog the whole, pretty much everything from when we get to the airport to when we get there. I don't know when I'm gonna release the news. I know you guys have some type of idea because a bunch of people maybe announce in the next video, maybe not, but that's pretty much it. I'm gonna end this video. I'm excited. I think we're all excited here. It's big opportunity. So I will see you guys at the airport.